Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on iPhone. So if you find it difficult to uninstall app on your phone, here is a quick guide on how to fix that. So the first thing you do is open up your settings. So from there, you open up your settings, then you scroll the way down to screen time. So once you open up your screen time, then under the screen time, then you tap on content and privacy restriction. Tap on it. Then you tap on iTunes and Apple service stores. You tap on it. Then from here, which is deleting of app. If yours is pinned to don't allow deleting apps, just turn it to allow. So once you put it under allow, it allows you to uninstall apps on your phone, but if it is under disallow, that means you won't be able to delete any apps from your phone. So just tap on allow, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.